Good morning students. In this video, we will discuss the application of simultaneous linear equation with the help of some examples. Examples related to the fraction. Problems based on fraction are related to two-digit numbers. So firstly, we will discuss the problem based on fraction. I have taken one example here. If the numerator of a fraction is increased by 2 and the denominator by 1, the fraction becomes equal to 5 by 8. And if the numerator and denominator are each diminished by 1, the fraction becomes equal to 1 by 2. Find the fraction. So there are two conditions in this question. We have to find the fraction. We know that in fraction there is numerator and denominator. So firstly we will suppose let the numerator be x and denominator be y. So see the solution. Let the numerator be x and denominator be y. Therefore fraction. So what will be fraction? X upon y. Let the numerator be x and denominator be y. So original fraction will be x upon y. Now read the statement. If the numerator of a fraction is increased by 2. So if we increase the numerator by 2, what will be new numerator? X plus 2. And denominator by 1. So denominator is increased by 1. So new denominator will be y plus 1. The fraction becomes equal to 5 by 8. So according to question, according to first statement, x plus 2 upon y plus 1. X plus 2 means what? Numerator is increased by 2. So new numerator will be x plus 2. Denominator is increased by 1. So new denominator will be y plus 1. So what will be new fraction? X plus 2 upon y plus 1. And new fraction becomes 5 by 8 according to question. So it will be equal to 5 by 8. Cross multiply. So 8 into x, 8x plus 8 to the 16. 5 into y, 5y plus 5. 8x transpose 5y left side minus 5y is equal to 5 transpose 16 right side, 5 minus 16. So 8x minus 5y is equal to minus 11. It is equation number 1. 8x minus 5y is equal to minus 11. This is the first equation. Next, according to the second statement, if the numerator and denominator are each diminished by 1. So when numerator is diminished by 1, it will be x minus 1. Denominator is diminished by 1, it will be y minus 1. So x minus 1 upon y minus 1. The new fraction becomes 1 by 2. So next, according to next statement, we can write x minus 1 upon y minus 1 is equal to 1 by 2. Listen again, why x minus 1, y minus 1? Because it is given in the question. Numerator and denominator are each diminished by 1. So it will be x minus 1. When we will subtract 1 from numerator, x minus 1, and from denominator, then it will become y minus 1. The fraction becomes 1 by 2. So this new fraction is equal to 1 by 2. Again cross multiply. So 2 into x, 2x, 2 into minus 1, 2x minus 2 is equal to 1 into y minus 1. It will be y minus 1. 2x transpose y this side, 2x minus y is equal to minus 1 transpose minus 2 right side plus 2. So 2x minus y is equal to 2 minus 1, 1. This is the second equation. So I have made here two linear equation in two variable. Now we will solve first and second equation to find the values of x and y. And we will put here the value of x and y to get the original fraction. So how we will solve it? By elimination method we can do. So equation 1 minus equation 2 multiplied by 5. Equation 1 is this one, 8x minus 5y is equal to minus 11. This is equation number 1. And in equation 2 we will multiply it by 5. So multiply here by 5. 5 to the 10x minus 5 into y minus 5y is equal to right side 5 into 1 5. It is equation number 2 multiplied by 5. We will subtract it. So change the sign. It will be plus. This is minus. Minus 5y plus 5y. We can cancel it. 8x minus 10x. Simplify it. It will be minus 2x is equal to minus 11 minus 5 minus 16. So what will be x? Minus 16 divided by minus 2. It will be 8. 2 8 are 16. Both have same sign, minus minus, so answer will come in plus. 2 8 are 16. X is equal to 8. Now we will find the value of y. So put x is equal to 8 in equation number 2. Put x is equal to 8 in equation 2. So equation 2 is 2x minus y is equal to 1. We have to put x is equal to 8. So 2 into 8 minus y is equal to 1. 2 8 is 16. Transpose 1 left side, minus 1. And minus y right side, y. 16 minus 1, 15. So what is the value of y? Value of y is equal to 15 and value of x is equal to 8. But we have to find the fraction. Fraction means original fraction, this one. We have to find the original fraction. Original fraction is x upon y. So put the value of x 8 here and y 15 here. So our fraction will be 8 upon 15. So therefore original fraction. Original fraction will be 8 upon 15. This is answer. In original fraction, put the value of x and y to get the answer. So this is the problem related to a fraction. So in this problem, what we have to do, according to the statement of the question, we have to make two linear equation in two variable, and after that we will solve both the equation to find the both variable. I think it is clear to you. Now we will see some more problem based on two-digit number. Another problem related to two-digit numbers. So our next problem is related to two-digit number. So see the question related to two-digit number. A number of two digits exceeds means greater, more, 4 times the sum of its digits by 6. A number of two digits exceeds 4 times the sum of its digits by 6, and it is increased by 9 on reversing the digits, means reverse number. Reverse number is 9 more than original number. This is the meaning. Find the number. Find the number means we have to find two digits original number. So we know that in two-digit number there are two type of digits, unit digits and tens digit. So if unit digit and tens digits are known, how we can make two-digit number? Suppose let unit digit be 4 and tens digit be 5. How we can make two-digit number? Suppose unit digit be 4 and tens digit be 5. So how we can make the two-digit number? So therefore two-digit number 5, we will multiply the tens digit by 10. We will multiply tens digit is 5 here. So we will multiply tens digit by 10 and add the unit digit. because place value of tens place is 10. So we have to multiply the tens digit by 10 and add the unit digit. So what will come? 10 into 5, 50, 50 plus 4, 54. In this way, we can make the two-digit number. And what will be reverse number? What will be a reverse number? Reverse number means tens digit and unit digits are interchanged. In case of reverse number, this tens digit it will become the unit digit, and this unit digit it will become the tens digit. Then how we can make? Tens digit is 4 here, so we will multiply 4 into 10 and then add the unit digit. So 10 into 4, 40, 45. This is the method to write two-digit number if unit digit and tens digit are known. Similarly, if we take, suppose unit digit be x and tens digit be y. Unit digit x, tens digit y. So what will be two-digit number? Two-digit number will be tens place digit is what? Y. So we will multiply y by 10 and add the unit digit x. So it will be 10y plus x. This is the two-digit number. What will be reverse number? Reverse number, in case of reverse number, this will become unit digit. Tens digit will become unit digit and unit digit will become tens digit. Okay. So in case of reverse number, tens digit is what? X. So we will multiply x by 10 and then add the unit digit y. So 10x plus y. This is the reverse number. So in this way we can write the two-digit original number and the reverse number. I think it is clear to you. Now we will solve the problem. So see the solution. In two-digit number, firstly we will suppose let the digit at units place and digit at tens place. Right. Let the digit at units place be x, means unit digit be x, and digit at tens place be y. Let digit at unit place be x and digit at tens place be y, means tens digit is y, unit digit is x. So therefore two digits original number. Therefore two digits original number. So how we can make the two-digit number? I have told you we will multiply the tens digit by 10 and add the unit digit, means 10y plus x. This is the two-digit original number. And what is the reverse number? Reverse number. How we will get the reverse number? When we will interchange the digit, then we can get the reverse number. So when we will interchange it, unit digit will become y and tens digit will become x. So we will multiply x into 10 plus y. 10x plus y. So this is original number, this one is reverse number. So in every problem related to two-digit number, firstly we have to suppose let the digit at unit place and the digit at tens place. Now according to statement we have to make linear equation in two variable. So see, according to question, a number of two digit exceeds, means greater, more, 4 times the sum of its digits by 6. So number of two digit is what? 10y plus x. Number of two digit is 10y plus x. This number is 6 greater than 4 times the sum of digits. Sum of the digit is x plus y. Digit is x and y, their sum will be x plus y. 4 times the sum of digit, 4 into x plus y. And greater exceeds by 6, so we will add here 6. So this original number, is 6 greater than 4 times the sum of digits. This is the first statement. Simplify 10y plus x, open this bracket, 4x plus 4y plus 6. Transpose it, 10y plus x minus 4x minus 4y is equal to 6. 10y minus 4y, 6y, x minus 4x minus 3x is equal to 6. 10y minus 4y, 6y, x minus 4x minus 3x is equal to 6. We can divide it by 3, divide whole the equation by 3. So 3 2 is 6, we can write 2y minus x is equal to 3 2 is 6. It is equation number 1. Similarly, we will make another equation by second statement, and it is increased by 9. When it is increased by 9, on reversing the digit means reverse number. So reverse number is 9 more than the original number. This is the meaning. Reverse number is 9 more than the original number. What is reverse number? 10x plus y. So 10x plus y is equal to, and original number is 10y plus x plus 9 we have to add. This is the reverse number. Reverse number is 9 more than the original number. So 10x plus y is equal to 10y plus x plus 9. Simplify it. 10x plus y transpose minus 10y minus x is equal to 9. Y minus 10y, it is minus 9y. 10x minus x plus 9x is equal to 9. Y minus 10y minus 9y, 10x minus x plus 9x is equal to 9. We can divide whole the equation by 9. So divide it. Minus y plus x is equal to 1. This is the second equation. So we have two linear equation in two variable, equation number 1 and 2. Now we will solve it to find the values of x and y. So add equation first plus equation 2. 2y minus x is equal to 2. This is first equation. Minus y plus x is equal to 1. It is second equation. When we will add plus x minus x, cancel. 2y minus y, it will be y. And 2 plus 1, 3. So value of y is 3. Put the value of y in equation number 2 to find the value of x. So put y is equal to 3 in second equation. What is second equation? This one. So y 3, it will be minus 3 plus x is equal to 1. What will be x? Transpose minus 3. 1 plus 3 means 4. So value of x is 4 and value of y is 3. But we have to find 2-digit original number, means this one. 10y plus x. So put the value of x and y in this. Therefore, required number, required 2-digit number, it is 10y plus x. Put the value of y, 10 into y3, x is 4, 30 plus 4, 34. This is answer. So after finding the values of x and y, we have to put in the 2-digit number 10y plus x. 10 into 3, 30 plus 4, 34. So this is the problem related to 2-digit number. In every problem we will suppose let the digit at unit place be x, digit at tens place be y, then write the 2-digit number, and then according to statement we have to make two linear equation in two variable and solve both the equations to find the variable x and y and put here to find the original number. Okay, thank you class.